Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the Moon Fun channel where we're funding our bags to go to the moon. In today's video, I'll be covering Cardano and doing a price analysis on it. And I think there's a potentially big move coming for Cardano. So I'll be covering that, and also I'll be covering the fundamentals of Cardano and what's happening at the moment. And I'll be comparing the current price with some historical trends to basically give you guys a good analysis on what's to come. So if you like content like this and you want more Cardano content, make sure you like and subscribe and join the Discord group. But anyways, let's get into it. I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose your money if you listen to me. This is no investment advice, but let's go. So currently something very crazy happened where Cardano is actually above XRP, and I think this happened yesterday. So Cardano is number 4 on the CoinMarketCap website right now, which is insane. We're 91% up from the last 7 days with a $20 billion market cap right now. And as you guys can see, we have a very solid trend line at the moment, and it's a very steep one because Cardano has been making very nice moves to the upside. And if we zoom out, we can see that we have a long-term trend line which Cardano is actually completely ignoring at the moment, as we have this big gap from the trend line. And the reason behind this might actually be because we are nearing the launch of the Goguen mainnet, and essentially this is number 3 on the Cardano roadmap, and we're only halfway there guys. We still have 2 more things in the pipeline, and if the Goguen can cause such a big spike in the price, imagine what the other 2 can. And essentially this is the introduction of smart contracts to Cardano, which Ethereum is actually known for. And here's an article which says why Cardano will outshine Ethereum 2.0 according to IOHK Boss. So the CEO Charles Hoskinson gave his perspective on why Cardano will outshine Ethereum 2.0. And guys, if this actually happens, right, this is going to be very big because the market cap between Ethereum and Cardano is insane. And if Cardano can actually go and tackle Ethereum, then we might have a lot more growth left, and whoever is in Cardano at the moment will enjoy the gains. And guys, the increase in price might actually also be because Cardano is getting closer to the Goguen era after completing the Merry Hard update, and this is one of the 2 updates that will allow Cardano to transition to the Goguen era. So this was actually deployed on the 2nd of Feb, and if you actually mark the zone, this might be the reason we are seeing this very big price increase, because the hype is actually increasing. And this article mentions the ERC20 tokens, which will allow people from Ethereum to transfer over to Cardano, and I'll link these articles down in the description because I really want to focus on the price at the moment and what Cardano can do. But essentially, the transition to the Goguen era will allow developers to fully take advantage of Cardano's smart contracts and tokenization, creating a whole new ecosystem based on scientific principles and scalability. Right guys, so let's get into the price, and what I'm going to be doing now is actually giving my prediction on what can potentially happen right now. So if you actually draw the Fibonacci retracement on this very big move right here, we can see that we're currently above the 0.236 level here, and we haven't really made a big retracement from this very big move. And if you guys noticed, if I zoom in a bit more, you guys will see that we've been forming this support level on the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, which is a very good level because this is around the 52-cent level. And Cardano actually loves this Fibonacci retracement level because if we go in the past, as you guys know I love to do, and we focus on the 3rd January time, we can see that Cardano was using the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level to actually support itself a few times, and the one time it dipped down, and I'll explain why, because you guys might be thinking this kind of disproves the theory, but let me just explain to you why this happened. But essentially Cardano used the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level and then made its move upwards. So I would say that this move probably started around 11th January around 9 AM, right? And we can see that dip to almost 0.786 and kind of testing this trend line. However, if we actually go in the Bitcoin chart right now, I've actually marked the zone where Bitcoin had its major crash, and this actually pushed a lot of the altcoins down as well. And that small blip was the reason why Cardano went down, because it was following Bitcoin and it went down for just a few hours, and then it made the recovery, which was very nice to see. So now that we know that Cardano loves the 0.5 level, let's go back to the current time and we can then, hopefully give a nice prediction on what will happen. Right, so currently you can see that Cardano has been following this very nice trend line. It's been respecting it, and what I'll be looking for is for Cardano to actually, once it breaks this trend line, that will be a sign for me that, you know, we might be going on a downtrend to test the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. And I think, you know, this type of correction is healthy because you do need these corrections to, you know, fuel up and reach higher highs. However, at the moment, Cardano is looking very, very good. And I wouldn't be surprised if we actually just made a small retracement to the 0.382 level and then made our push back. Because if we see our MACD level right here, we can see that we are kind of reversing here, and, you know, the selling pressure is decreasing while the buying pressure is increasing. What we need to look at is this trend line breaking and waiting to see if Cardano actually reaches this level, because we have built a very nice support level on the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and I think it will hold. But in the case it does not hold, then we will be reaching our 0.786 level, because this has been a very, very nice support for us as well, which is around the 42-cent level. So these are the two areas which, you know, Cardano might actually lead to. But guys, I believe that because of this Goguen mainnet news coming out and one of the updates already launched, I think the hype and all the excitement about Cardano might actually lead us to maintain this uptrend for a little bit longer. But I want Cardano to actually make a correction so that I can have a chance to accumulate a bit more. That'll be great for me. And guys, I just want to show you something very interesting. If you go in the 5-year chart and we go in the daily chart, there's something very interesting for you guys to see here. So guys, currently our price is around 66 cents, and as you guys can see, this is a major resistance level for Cardano, because in the past, around 2 years ago, we tested this level a few times and then we went on this bear trend. And I think this is a major resistance, and if Cardano actually breaks it, which it is currently testing at the moment, then we should be able to see some absolutely crazy price movement for Cardano, because from here to all-time high, it's approximately 100% movement to the upside. So as I said before guys, you know, Cardano in my opinion still has a lot of potential and growth, because it is taking on Ethereum, and Ethereum's market cap compared to Cardano, there's a very big difference. And I think once we break this very important 66-cent level, we might be able to see some absolutely crazy growth, just like how we're seeing right now. And this in combination with the Goguen mainnet launching in March or the end of February, I'm very bullish on Cardano, because Cardano has actually respected all the trend lines it's had, is having healthy corrections right here, is building support as we go up, and I think this type of sustainable movement should be very good for the future of Cardano. I'll be monitoring Cardano's movement. You know, if we actually break this trend line here, then I'll be looking to see Cardano coming to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level and then hopefully fueling up to make that launch upwards. But currently it's looking good in my opinion, and you know, the chance that we actually break this, then we might be actually going down to the 0.786 level or testing this trend line. But as I said before guys, I think with the news coming out and with Cardano's performance in the past, it's looking quite good. But anyways guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want more content on Cardano, just let me know, because someone commented down below that they wanted Cardano content and I made a video on it. So let me know what you want me to cover next, and join the Discord group. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.